Hello everybody, here we do paint restoration. We start by covering all the areas in which we will not be working, to prevent accidents and contamination of the rest of the paint with the dust that the compound releases. I like that on certain occasions the customer sees what we are doing to his vehicle. That way we can get to what the client is looking for. As you can see, the paint restoration work is already finished here. Now we move on to polishing. We are going to be applying 3 steps of polishing. First step. Second step. Third and last step. We seal the polish with some of my liquid ceramics. This is how we avoid future pollution. I wash very well to clean between a crack face. We dry very well. And this is the result, my people? Here we repeat the process. I take this opportunity to remind you that we are a company that provides mobile service wherever the vehicle is in North Carolina. We provide everything. Quality is my top priority, and something very, very important. We do many more service. We bring to you quality and comfort. Follow my socials media for more content. Thanks for seeing this video to the end. Don't forget share, please, and give like you helping growing if you share. For more information, contact us 910-978-2981. If you follow a Revolution Car Wash and Tint, you follow the best.